Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This is the merchandiser coolers, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit's entire length is about like a 39 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 30.5 inches, include the front handlebars. And the overall tall, they are about like 80 and 1/4 inches tall. So we can see the units coming with the full clustered wheels at the bottoms. And when we look in the front, top is LED banners. You can just change any pictures you want. And they have a swing door of the units. When we opened it, they give you 2 styling of the shelving racks. And for each of the stylings, they come with the 4 racks on each side. So total will be 8 racks for these units. And they do have 2 different styling of it. And also we come in with these small controllers at the bottoms. And this one using the brand called the Dexos. They can display all the temperature right here. And you can adjust the temperature through it. And let me give you the overall dimensions for the inner side. For the units, about like a 24 inches deep. And they about like a 36 inches wide. The clearance, the entrance is about like a 48 inches tall. And when we look in the inner side of the units, we having the banner switchers right here. And they come in with a big circling fans on top of it. And they do have LED lights on side of the units. And when we're looking the bottoms right here, you close the door, you see they have 2 locks on the 2. And when we're looking the behind of the units, we can see they do have power switchers at the bottoms and the cross sheets on the side. And they come in with a standard of 110 plugs from the units and the compressor the mount at the bottom too. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.